Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending March 15th, the major indexes were down slightly as inflation concerns worried investors due to the economic news reported during the week. The Consumer Price Index, or CPI, increased as expected by 0.4% in February, while core CPI, which excludes food and energy, increased to more than expected 0.4%. Shelter and gasoline prices contributed more than 60% to the increase, pushing year-over-year CPI to 3.2% in February from 3.1% in January. The Producer Price Index was higher than expected in February, up 0.6%, 2.8% on a year-over-year basis. Retail sales came in slightly lower in February at 0.6%. More importantly, however, January's original decline of 0.8% was revised downward to 1.1%. Business inventories were unchanged in January compared to December, but the inventory to sales ratio was up to 1.5 in January compared to 1.48 in December, as businesses tend to avoid unwanted higher inventory to sales ratios. Both import and export prices increased more than expected in February. Industrial production was higher than expected, as strength in construction and business equipment drove the increase. And finally, the preliminary Consumer Sentiment Index came in slightly lower than expected at 75.6. Year to date, the Dow is up 2.7%, the S&P is up 7.3%, and the Nasdaq is up 6.4%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.3%. Oil closed at $81.24 a barrel. Gold closed at $2,156.28 an ounce, with silver closing up $25.20 an ounce. For this week of March 18th, Monday we'll get the Home Builder Confidence Index. Tuesday, housing starts and building permits will be reported. Wednesday, we'll get the Federal Reserve's decision on interest rates, followed by Fed Chairman Powell's press conference. And on Thursday, initial jobless claims, existing home sales, and the leading economic indicators index all will be reported. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, or would like to schedule a complimentary review of your portfolio, please give us a call. We are accepting new clients. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.